Alright, the early afternoon continues. June 25th, 2024, CN Hayes here. 1353, coming to you from West Ladysmith again along the Canadian Nationals. Berenson, Maine at milepost 128.8 with another video lined up for you. Going to have a power move departure of today's S773 81 of the 25th with a couple of Ex-Citirail PTC capable Ex-Citirail ES44s doing the honors this time by. Because those two were on yesterday's northbound wood tick of the L5 63 81 of the 24th. And for this roll by, we're going to have the Ex-Citirails of CN 3979, and leading for the northbound trip will be the 2769. And we're going to head to Source Energy Services of Weyerhaeuser to build up a sand load to take up north to either Grand Prairie, Alberta, Canada, or to Swan Landing, Alberta, Canada. We are going to come elephant style long hood forward here for this roll by. So leading it will be the Ex-Citirail of the 3979. So let's check them out on the departure from West Ladysmith. As we'll lean back and get them. Here we go. The ATSF rail fan has also got it along the Canadian National Spirits on Maine at milepost 353.37 as the two Ex-Citirails came out from the north end of Ladysmith Yard. Let's check them out. CN 3979 with the 2769. With the power move departure of today's S773 81 of the 25th. Alright, the Ex-Citirail duo is on the roll now. Supposedly the crew had to get on board the 3979 as they must have had the conductor ride for protection on the 3979 while the engineer was on board the 2769. So now both the conductor and the engineer are on the 3979 now. And once again head to Source Energy Services of Weyerhaeuser to build up a sand load of 102 loads. Alright, the Ex-Citirail duo has showed up. Check them out on the roll by. This is near the 1400 hour. Is the 1400 hour now. And that will do it for the power move departure of today's S773 81 of the 25th. And we'll do it for the Ex-Citirail duo of the 3979 and the 2769. And we'll do it for this video at West Ladysmith, near Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thanks for watching, folks. Have a great afternoon. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you along the main line. CN Hayes out.